It seems like one of the first questions I get asked after a new client has signed up with us is, hey, how long do you think it'll take to install the siding on our home? And each home is unique, right? So it varies from house to house. But I would say, if you have an average, let's say ranch, 2,500 square foot home, probably anywhere from 7 to 10 days. That's removing all the old siding, weather barrier, new siding and trim, soffit fascia, and then we bring in the gutter team to finish everything off. Now, if you have a larger 2-story home, it may take 2 to 3 weeks to do that installation because it's just a lot of square footage, especially if it's taller and we have to work up in high level areas. It just tends to move a little slower, and hardy doesn't move as fast as vinyl. It takes more craftsmanship, more precision. So depending on the size of your house, it could be as little as 1 week or it could be as much as 3 weeks. One of the things we're proud of at Hawthorn, when we start your project, we are married to your home until that project is complete. We do not start a project, leave, go work on another customer's house and come back. So when our team is there and set up, we are very much committed to your home through completion. And so I think that's one of the great benefits of Hawthorn is that we're very committed to our clients from the moment we start your project till the day it's completed. Some of the things that can slow down the install process when we remove the old siding and get down to the substrate is if we come across wood rot or even termite damage. That's typically the time when we're going to stop, bring it to your attention, and look at the best way to proceed. If it's wood rot damage, our team can handle it. We don't look to make money off misery, so we'll stop and let you know, hey, this is the raw cost to buy the new lumber that's needed and kind of our minimal labor cost to get it done. Because just like you, we want to keep moving forward. We also don't want to go cover up cancer that exists with new siding. So we want to make sure the substrate of your home is in great condition before we continue to move along. So sometimes that can slow down the pace a little bit. The other thing, probably the biggest thing that slows down the timeline is weather. So when we get extreme heat where it's 105 degrees or thunderstorms that come in, we tend to be pretty careful with weather. So if we see there's a high likelihood that a storm is going to come, we don't want to open up the walls of your home and have a storm just pop up on us. So we tend to be pretty careful with that, and those are the things that can do it. But hopefully every house we do is 75 and sunny every day, and it's smooth sailing. And so, but unfortunately, that's not always the case.